Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post a reel on Facebook step by step. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Facebook app. Then you will head to the top where you see the plus sign. You want to click on the plus sign and you will have four different options. You will have the option to create a post, a story, a reel, or to go live. Let's click on the reel option. Now let's select what we want to actually upload. I chose this particular image over here. Now there's a couple of different settings on the right side which you can actually utilize. The first option, of course, is to select a music to add to your reel. The pro tip will over here be that if you want to add music, you want to lower down the original audio. If you had a voiceover, you can actually add it over here, or you can record your own voiceover, saving the second option. The music works very simply. If you go on the add music section, you will see that the selection of the music is not so good. I don't know what is the reason for and why you have much more music to add and much more popular songs to add while creating reels on the actual Instagram platform. So I wouldn't get crazy about the music available over here. I don't know why, but if you want to add music, this is how you can go about it. Also, you can add text. You can tag someone. You can change the text color. You can change the way how the text appear, centered, right centered, left centered. As well, you can actually add effects. I don't know if you play with this. Again, nothing crazy. I would say more like a vintage look, nothing like special. If you do have a voiceover, the next option with the captions will be very helpful. This will increase the engagement and people will have much more fun, watching your videos. And last but not least, you guys can actually save the video prior to publishing. A lot of people creating content here. For example, you edit the video, you download it, and then you publish it elsewhere. For example, Twitter or TikTok. So this is something else that I hope you understand and you can be aware of. And again, that's the final step where we are going to publish. We're going to create the metadata. We're going to put our title, hashtags, a couple of sentences simply to explain what is the video about, or what is the photo about. So it will help the Facebook algorithm to essentially put up the video in front of the right audience. And the last pro tip I'm gonna give you is that you can actually niche down and boost and target your own audience simply by clicking on add topics over here. This is where you can actually pre-select what is the general topic or segment or niche of your content. This will give you additional boost. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.